Hey, Rob here for Quadratec.com. We're out here at the 2017 SEMA Show, and I'm going to be bringing you some new and some of my favorite products right here from the show floor. Now, these are going to range everything from existing products that have been modified or have some changes done to make them better, all the way up to brand new and innovative products that we've never seen before. And to kick things off, well, we're here in the Daystar booth where we're checking out their D-ring washer locker and their D-ring locker. Now, both of these have existing versions of this product that have been on the market for a while. I really love the isolator. Helps keep your D-ring from banging around on your bumper, whether you're headed down the road or the trail. Well, Daystar has added this tether to both products that simply installs through your shackle pin and locks back on itself. And that's going to prevent that pin from ever backing out of the D-ring, causing you to lose a D-ring, which I know is a common problem. I've had it happen to me before. And that makes the Daystar D-ring locker and D-ring washer lock a great and innovative product. Well, why don't we go hit the show floor and check out some more. Over here in G2 checking out their brand new JK air system. I saw this and I thought it would be a really cool product that would work well with an existing onboard air setup or if you're starting out from scratch. Now they include a 1-gallon tank here that you can mount up underneath of your Jeep, as well as this really nice bracket that ties into your existing seat mounting bracket on both the driver and passenger side of your Jeep. Now it includes an air gauge. You've got a toggle switch right here to activate your compressor and some quick connect fittings here for your air accessories so you can air up your tires or maybe run some air tools out on the trail. Why don't we go ahead and check out some more at the show. So we're here at Rubicon Express and we're checking out their new forged aluminum control arms. Now I saw these things, I thought, well, they look cool, but man, I tell you what, when you pick them up, that's when you can really tell the difference. I wish this translated on video. These things are incredibly light. Now they use their existing Superflex joint on here. They're all adjustable and they've reduced the weight by about 20% while still increasing the strength on these things. Now they all come with an integrated UHMW skid pad on the bottom of the lower control arms here to help prevent damage. They got a great powder coated look to them. We can look for them coming soon from Rubicon Express. New from Rugged Ridge is their heated Elite ballistic nylon seat covers. Now, when you hear about these things, it's kind of like oh yeah, why hasn't anyone done that before? It's a heated seat element that's built right into the cover, so it's super easy to install. There's a 3-position switch mounted right on the seat cover itself, so you have high and low function, and you got the heated elements in both the bottom and the back of the seat. And with that ballistic nylon, it's gonna be ultra durable, tough for you, super fade resistant, and it looks great inside the Jeep. Another great product here from Rugged Ridge. Check it out, another great product here at Rugged Ridge. This is their hitch thimble. Now, we've used receiver hitches for recovery purposes for a while. You can get some different mounts to go in there to mount hard shackles, but you know what, they rattle around, they make a lot of noise. Sometimes they're hard to keep in your Jeep. With this little guy, I'm gonna use a continuous soft shackle. Simply slide that into the receiver, lock it in place with your hitch pin, and now you have a safe recovery point that you can use. With the soft shackle, has a rating of 7,500 pounds with a working load limit of 30,000 pounds. Tell you what, man, I'd love to have one of those in my Jeep. We're here at Smittybilt checking out their Apollo series front bumper. It's a really cool, sleek design that combines a mixture of tubular and plate steel for a nice design, but what that also does is help reduce the weight. I think it's gonna be a great bumper for you JK guys. They've included this great overrider bar here that's got mounts for 2 6-inch LEDs. They've also even got a provision in here for a forward-facing camera. Overall, really sleek bumper here from Smittybilt. So we're here at the Black Forest by Wabasa booth. We're checking out a pretty cool product here. This is their trail oven. Now it actually mounts under the hood of your Jeep, right on top of your engine in your JK. Now it's been designed to use the factory engine cover mounts, made out of aluminum here. It's a quick install, and it gives you a place to load up your lunch so you can cook it while you're heading down the trail, and it'll be nice and warm and ready to go by lunchtime. Here at the Teraflex booth, checking out their brand new Falcon remote adjustable shocks. Now, Teraflex released their Falcon shocks last year at SEMA, and they had an adjustable version with a knob on board. What they've done now is added remote adjustability using an onboard air system in your Jeep. So all 4 shocks are connected with an air line to whatever onboard air system you have, whether it be a compressor or a power tank. Now, when they're in the off position, well, they default to a really firm setting, great for on-road travel. And then with the simple flick of a switch, you've now pressurized the shock and made it nice and soft, perfect for off-road travel. So I'm here at Factor 55 checking out their brand new rope guard, available for their full line of flat link closed system winching accessories. Now it works on the flat link expert, the new flat link splicer, and even the ultra hook. Of course, the one for the ultra hook is a little bit bigger. Now what this does, it simply replaces 2 of the rubber pads that are existing on the flat link. Now you leave the 2 on the back so that when you retract your winch line in, it's going to rest nicely up against that fair lead. But by putting the rope guard on the front, you've now given your rope protection from damaging UV rays, but you've also given it impact protection, and it installs easily with these 4 simple drive rivets that go into the existing holes where the rubber pad's mounted. And if you ever damage this, well, simply drill out those rivets and replace them with a new one. Overall, another awesome product here from the guys at Factor 55. So we're here at ARB checking out their Lynx vehicle accessory interface. Really cool new product made up of 2 components. It's actually the Lynx control module and then the display interface that gets mounted on the dashboard of your vehicle. Now this actually communicates wirelessly with the Lynx device, so you're not drilling any holes into your dashboard or anything like that. And what it's going to do is allow you to monitor, activate, and control things like your front and rear lockers, check your battery voltage, your compressor, and also activate up to 6 different accessories like your lights. And that's not all. ARB's actually built in the capability to update and expand this for future modules that haven't even been developed yet. So we're down here at Oracle Lighting checking out their brand new Vector Grill. And I'll tell you what, when we were walking through that new products hall, this was one of the items that completely jumped off the table and caught my attention. This thing is absolutely wild looking. Now it's really cool. It actually uses all the factory mounting locations, so it's a direct replacement for the existing grill on your 07, a newer JK Wrangler, and it's completely plug and play, which is really impressive considering how many different lights they have on this thing. Now we've got separate low beams on here. We also have a driving light, our high beam, and one of the really cool features is this integrated dynamic daytime running light, which runs through a scan feature when you start your Jeep and then remains illuminated as a daytime running light. And finally, we've got those integrated LED turn signals on the grill as well. I'm really excited. I can't wait to see this thing start shipping. Now that wraps up our top new products right here from the 2017 SEMA Show. Let us know what you think of these in the comments section below. If you have questions, you can leave those there as well. Of course, you want to make sure you hit that subscribe button so you catch all of our latest videos. And you want to make sure that you check out our top vehicle build-up video right here from the SEMA Show as well. Until next time, I'm Rob. I'll see you guys out on the trail.